Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to show you how I fit all of my hair under my wigs. My hair is thick, my hair is coarse, my hair is on the longer side. It's not too crazily long, but you know, she's almost bra strap length. So but the biggest thing is she is thick. So today I'm going to show you the braid pattern that gives me the flattest results so I don't have any kind of hump or anything right here in the center of my head, which is an issue I used to have before. So I've already prepped my hair and I just did my usual long-term protective styling wash day routine, and the only difference is I didn't trim my hair this time because I didn't need to, and I blew my hair out with a blow dryer, frankly because I need to get on a plane tomorrow and this wig had to get installed tonight and I had to wash my hair today as well. So I didn't have time to let the universe dry my hair. I needed it done ASAP, no Rocky. So to get started, I'm going to section my hair in 3 sections. I'm going to part directly down the middle, and then I'm going to part from the center down to the sides to just behind my ears. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Okay, so I do my hair in 3 sections because we're going to essentially braid this side down, back this way, this side down, back this way, and then the back part will go straight back. I found this method works better for me because when I would do my straight backs like normal, I would always get a hump right here because it starts to be that portion where you can't really see what you're doing, so you just have to feel what you're doing when you're braiding, and it just creates this weird hump in the center of your head. So for me, if I just start the braids here and then pull them away from the center of my head, I don't get that weird hump. So essentially every section is going to have 4 braids. 4 braids here, 4 braids here, and 4 braids for the entire back. I always like to do relatively small braids for the front because this is where you kind of need to make sure the bulk is as minimal as possible, versus the back of your head. It doesn't necessarily need the massive amounts of compaction that the front does. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, it will soon enough. So I'm going to get started by parting at my temple and then finishing off at my ear. Right. This is going to be my first braid. This video is also not meant to show you how to cornrow. If you need some references and some help, I will try to remember to link some videos down below that help me figure out how to cornrow properly. So after I finish my first braid, I'm going to continue parting my hair at an angle and braiding down until I have completed my 4 braids on this section. So for my 4th and final braid for this section, I'm going to use it to collect all the braids under it and create one single braid going down the side of my head. I know that's a little awkward to explain verbally, but I believe visually you can understand what I'm trying to say. And now that this side is completed and beautiful, we're going to do the exact same pattern to the other side. And now the front is complete and nice and flat. So for the back section of my head, I'm going to start by dividing the hair in half. And once I've divided that section in half, I'm going to divide it in half again, and that's going to give me my first braid. So once I have that section, I'm going to begin braiding downward. And now for this part, I'm going to collect that previous braid that we just did into this first braid for the back of my hair. So I'm going to unravel that braid just a little bit to reestablish the 3 sections, and then I'm going to line those 3 sections up with the 3 sections of my first braid of the back, and then braid it down to the end of my hair. Again, this is a little awkward to explain verbally, but I do believe it makes sense visually. And finally, I'm just going to repeat that process throughout the back of my head. So my camera kind of malfunctioned in the middle of me recording, but here we go. My braids going almost to the back, down to the sides, and then my 4 braids in the back, leading to my 2 Pippi Longstocking like pigtails. So the last step of this is just going to be feeding the ends of these braids through my 2 middle braids to pull everything together. And there you have it, how I get a nice super flat base ready for my wigs. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel on your way out. And don't forget to leave a like and comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.